Hello again. Here we go for another windy walk, but I got the wind blocker on, so it shouldn't be too bad. All good. I just happened to see that one at the platform, back to leave, so I thought, well, be rude not to, wouldn't it? So anywho, a bit later out today than normal. Believe it or not, I was sort of waiting to see if it's going to rain. Now, that sounds utterly ridiculous, but it's been threatened, so I thought, well, I've got to go now. It doesn't look like it's going to, but it might later. No real plans for today, no major things. A couple of then and nows I hope to get down the town, which are, you know, pretty good ones, I think. But nothing much else in really. Got to do a bit of shopping later. Going to pop over to Polly Steps, that's why I'm going up this way. Quick shot of the roundabout sign, because old habits die hard. The flower beds have been seen to, they've been thinned out. Thomas Looney House coming up. That's the cottage next door, also being done. Bit disappointed now they've both been filled in. Feel like I'm missing an old friend. Now, is that the rain that I've been promised on its way? But the sign's still up. Yeah, I really don't like the look of those clouds, so I'm not going to go all the way out to Polly Steps, so I might get caught out there. Going to carry on around the corner. Give Polly Steps a miss today. You wouldn't think it's just a few seconds later. It's gone from lovely and sunny to dark clouds and wind, quite a chill, quite cold. Sun's gone in. Crazy. So suddenly. And I noticed they've closed off that dock across the way there. You can see there's the first barrier, and barriers there, meaning I can't walk along there and get the shot of the back beach I'd like to get. It's a shame. There's the ferry heading over to Shoulden, right in the middle, in the distance. There's that seabird boat again, lovely. With my little channel flag on the top, very nice of him. All blowy now, and gone quite dark. Somewhat blowy hanging basket outside the Lobster Lounge. Teignmouth. It's the other basket. More baskets up ahead, lovely. And flowers on balconies too. Hopefully the clouds are passing now. We haven't had rain so far. Shame we don't have the sun on the flowers, eh? Plenty of spaces at the Point car park. And plenty of space on the beach at the Point if you'd like to sit in the sun after you parked your car at the Point, Teignmouth. Well, it almost goes without saying that, unsurprisingly, we won't be getting down the bottom of that slip road or slip ramp to do the lighthouse I wanted. But I do have something else that I'm planning to do instead. So I'm using this bit here to acclimatise you to where we are. And Marina Court over there. And just down there is the Undercourt. Now, the Undercourt hasn't always been there. We all know that it used to be Morgan Giles Shipyard. However, so basically right at the end here, the end of this little road, which we will see in a minute, used to be next to the boatyards, used to be the Riverside Cafe. Here it is, here's a picture of it. That's what was there. And I've got another one as well, which I'm going to go and line up. Now we're looking down at it from here, and I'm going to show you a picture of a picture with a Wimpy logo holding the pictures of the table, because I believe the cafe turned into a Wimpy at some point before it was demolished. But this is a view of it from here. There we go, a bit of perspective left and right. Pretty cool, Riverside Cafe. Powder and Terrace. Kids Play Park. Top road over Garden Den, which is good. The entrance to the car park. And the lighthouse. Lovely. Crazy golf area. Can we see in the distance? Marquee on the den to do with the air show. Nice little plants they are. Till the air show comes along and then everyone just sits on them, probably. That's a coffee and tea room place being redone. All painted up for someone new to take it over. Got to check our temperatures. Highs are 22, yeah, okay. Sunshine. With some scary clouds, but sunshine. And there's the Bella Vista again. Always seems to feature in one way or another in my videos. This is on the back of the Cherry on the Top ice cream parlour. The Majesty of the Queen's 90th birthday. Triangle, pretty empty today. After all the activity yesterday with the Morris dancers, etc. Right, going to make my way over to the Co-op now, do a little bit of shopping. And there's the Co-op. It's kind of funny how it's so busy here in the main street, yet so quiet in the Triangle. It's usually the other way around. Someone's had their window smashed. That's Holland and Barrett's on the corner here. And that is the new bus shelter that they lowered into place the other day. Being used already. Perfect. And just as I finished filming, someone came up and complained loudly to their friend, said, it only seats about 5. The other one used to have 12 in there. Well, yes, 12 people drinking, more than likely. And I'm just thinking to myself, that may well be the case. They have in fact made it smaller to stop any antisocial behaviour from happening. More so at night, of course, but I'm aware there have been some problems in the afternoons down here with a certain element. But there we go. Same as everywhere. And with that, another walk comes to an end. Not my longest one, but at least I didn't get caught out in the rain. Had a good wander anyway. And I'm pleased to announce that overnight my phone has received a slight update, which has made the 2x zoom camera, which I'm using now, a lot clearer. It was the only thing I didn't like about this phone. It never seemed to be that clear on the 2x zoom, so I didn't use it very much. But all of a sudden, now when I go to 2x zoom, it snaps into focus, just like it does with the 5 zoom and the how it should be. So that's great. Good news all round. Anyway, love you and leave you. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye.